In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to WhatsApp. We're going to walk through the exact path inside your ManyChat account so your WhatsApp conversations can flow directly into your automations and live chat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, with a few helpful tips to keep things smooth. First, open your browser and go to your ManyChat account. Sign in and make sure you're looking at the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one brand or client. It's best to use an account with admin permissions so you can access everything you need without roadblocks. Next, look for Settings. You'll find it in the left-hand menu, usually marked with a small gear icon. This is your control center for everything related to your workspace: preferences, compliance, and most importantly for today, your messaging channels. Inside Settings, open the Channels section. Think of channels as the list of platforms where your ManyChat automations can run. This is where you connect tools like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and of course, WhatsApp. If you ever need to manage, disconnect, or review a channel in the future, you'll come back here. Now, select WhatsApp. You'll see an option to connect it. Click Connect, and ManyChat will guide you through the on-screen prompts. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to authenticate with the provider that powers your WhatsApp business connection, confirm your business details, or link a phone number that's dedicated to WhatsApp Business. Simply follow the prompts that appear. They're designed to walk you through the process step by step. A couple of practical tips as you connect. Make sure the phone number you plan to use is available for WhatsApp Business and not actively registered in the consumer app. Have the device handy in case a verification code is sent. If your business uses a shared or agency-managed account, ensure you have the necessary permissions before you begin to avoid delays. Once the connection completes, you should see WhatsApp listed as an active channel in ManyChat. That's your confirmation that messages can start flowing. If you notice a pending status, give it a moment, then refresh the page. Should anything look off, try a quick browser refresh or switch to an incognito window to rule out caching issues. That's it. You've navigated to ManyChat, opened Settings, gone into Channels, and connected WhatsApp. With the connection in place, you're ready to build flows, use templates when required for outbound messages, and manage conversations all in one place.